Hello everyone, welcome to day 11 of the 30-day challenge. Today I'm recreating this thumbnail. It's really a simple thumbnail. It's pen and a book. The book is also created using some shape. So what I'll do is let's create a frame and let me rename it to day 11 and let me quickly color this frame as black or to this color. I have already downloaded a pen. The link's in the description. Please download it from there. Okay, I have moved the pen into the frame. Now let me create a rectangle with the size of the book. Let me center it. Now let me just increase size. Okay, I have increased its size a bit more. Okay, 870 will do. Now what I'll do is I'll color this book red onto this shade of red. It's way closer to red only. Now I'll add one radius so it looks like a book. 50 will be good. Okay. Now since in this thumbnail the pen is outside the book, what I'll do is I'll make it modern. So I'll make something like this. I'll make a rectangle again. A rectangle. Let me center it. I'll move it here. It's in the center of the book. And now let's change its radius like this. Let me add the pen here. Okay, so the pen is outside the rectangle, so I'll move it inside like this. And let me increase the radius again. So this looks good, but I have to color it. So what I'll do is I'll take a shade of red. Okay, this looks good. Now, since I want to show that this pen is inside this thing, so I'll add a shadow, inner shadow to this. I'll go to effects. Let me add an inner shadow and let me just increase its X and its Y. And let's increase the blur. Also the transparency of this color. And I should increase the blur too. Now this looks good. Also, I'll just increase the size from here. And the border radius too. Now this looks good. Now I have to add some lines. So let's start by drawing a line. Okay, so this is a line. The stroke is white. White looks fine to me. Oh, this looks good. Let me just make it not 62, 60. And the gap should be 50, not 51. So 50, let me duplicate this. And first of all, I'll log this rectangle, also this pen. And let me select these lines. Let me group it. And after grouping them, I'll just decrease their stroke, increase their weight. Now this looks similar to this book. If the color was black, then this was 15. Now it is similar to this thing. Like these lines are embedded on the book. So this looks good. So now our thumbnail is almost ready, but I will add a little bit of twist to it so that I can attract my viewers that are you. Well, add something like this design, this, and I'll place it somewhere over here, maybe. Let me try it here. Okay, this doesn't look good because There's no space here, but there's spacing here, so it's uneven, which looks bad. Let me try rotating it, and let me try adding it here. Let me rotate it again. Just add it here. This looks good, but I don't like it. Oh, let me add it here and here. Okay, this looks good. So I think our thumbnail is ready, guys. So do let me know in the comment section, did you like it or not? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And I will meet you on the next day. Till then, take care. Bye bye.